Enterprise and entrepreneurship education is gaining momentum across the educational sector. And we see organisations like Advanced HE and the Quality Assurance Agency championing enterprise and entrepreneurship education. Enterprise education is about developing problem solving, curiosity, helping students to develop an understanding of who they are in the world and help them to become problem solvers so that they can go on and develop things for the future. Entrepreneurship education is using those skills and delivering it in a way that helps them create a structure for a business. Here at Cardiff Metropolitan University, we support academics to develop enterprise within the subjects. The subjects could be sport, could be health sciences, it could be art and design, or even management. And it's about developing competencies so that students can go on and solve problems for society. We support the development of businesses through programs across the university and also as on an extracurricular basis. When students need that support, we're able to deliver it and help them. We have a community of practice for academics here at Cardiff Metropolitan University where academics come together and share practice around developing their students' competencies in enterprise and entrepreneurship education. We support academics through the periodic review process so that every 5 years, as programs get developed and advanced, we're ensuring that there are capabilities for enterprising attributes to be embedded within those programs. Effectively, what we're trying to do is enable students to be problem solvers, to be change makers, to be those who can make a difference. The approach to that is about ensuring that we allow those who are entrepreneurs into the classroom, we allow employers into the classroom, we give students real case studies to work on and real live briefs. And if I can get a mix between multidisciplinary students, all the better.